In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download code from Lovable. By the end, you'll know 2 clean ways to grab your code: downloading individual files directly from Lovable, or exporting the entire project as a zip through GitHub. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Lovable website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look for the My Projects option in the top navigation. Click it to see your list of projects, then choose the project you want to work with. This opens the project dashboard where you can preview your app and manage its code. If you'd like to view or download files one at a time, click the code icon at the top of the page, the one that looks like opening and closing angle brackets. That switches you into the code view. On the left, you'll see the file tree. Select the file you want, then look to the top right of the editor for the download icon. Click it, choose where to save the file on your computer, and repeat for any other files you need. This is great when you only want a few specific files or you're quickly grabbing a config or asset. When you're finished, click the globe icon at the top to return to the web app preview. If you want the entire project in one shot, connect the project to your GitHub account. In the project view, find the GitHub connection option and follow the prompts to authorize access. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions so Lovable can create or update a repository for your project. Choose the correct repository or create a new one, then wait for the sync to complete. If you're part of an organization, you may need to confirm the org in the authorization screen. Once the code is synced, open the repository on GitHub. On the main repository page, click the code button. From the menu that appears, choose Download Zip. Your browser will download a compressed archive of the entire project. When it finishes, unzip the file to a folder you can easily find, then open it in your preferred editor or IDE. Keep in mind the zip includes the files as they exist in the repository at the time of download. If you update the project later in Lovable, just sync again and repeat the download to get the latest version. Also, check your browser's default download location if you don't see the file right away. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.